Good morning and welcome. My name is Joey, and this is a short meditation on gratitude. So find yourself in a comfortable position and get yourself just a little bit more comfortable. And maybe for this meditation, you take your hands and place them over the center of your chest, one on top of the other. And start by taking a deep breath into your belly and sighing it out. Once more, taking a deep breath in and letting it go. And one final deep breath in. Make this the deepest breath that you've taken all morning. And release it. And if possible, seal your lips. Allow your breath to settle back into its natural rhythm. And simply start to become aware of your breath. Aware of how your breath moves in and out of your body. Without trying to change it or control it in any way, just allow it to be exactly as it is right now. Noticing that rhythm that is constantly flowing through you even when you're not thinking about it. Notice how the body changes shape as you breathe in and out. Noticing how this perfectly designed vessel has been created just for you. Notice how your body sits or lies on the floor. Where do you make contact with the earth? How is the earth supporting you right now? Giving you an opportunity to release some of the tension that you constantly use to hold yourself up. Notice that sense of relief that the support beneath you brings. And see if you can soften yourself and give into that support maybe 1%, 2%, or even 10% more. And as you settle into this space of stillness, I want you to think about 3 things for which you're grateful right now. It doesn't matter how big or how small. They can be as simple as the air that you're breathing, or the pillow on which you rest your head at night. It could be something a little bit bigger than that. The journey that you're on in your life. Or maybe a relationship that's thriving for you right now. think of three things that you're grateful for. And spend a little bit of time with each one of those things, envisioning it, embodying it, embracing it. And if you're an advanced meditation practitioner, you might even allow the corners of your mouth to turn up into a little smile. And with these three things in mind, I invite you to start to open your eyes and come back into this space. And I encourage you to find a piece of paper or a journal, or maybe you open up a note on your phone and write those things down. Physically taking pen to paper or fingers to screen and creating those words that you've just imagined. And maybe you even take that one step further and send a note of gratitude to any of the people that may have come up for you. However you choose to carry this practice with you throughout the rest of your day, take a moment and thank yourself for spending this time with yourself this morning. And I thank you for sharing this practice with me, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Take care.